Hi there. Are you tired of living with back or neck pain? Do you feel like you've tried everything but still can't find relief? At Vitality Integrative Wellness, we're here to help you get back to doing the things you love. My name is Dr. Michael T. Bell, and today I want to introduce you to a life-changing treatment called spinal decompression therapy. It's a safe, non-surgical way to relieve pain and heal your spine naturally. Spinal decompression therapy is a cutting-edge treatment designed to gently stretch the spine. Using a specialized decompression table called the DRX 9000, we create negative pressure around the spinal discs, which can help reduce pain, alleviate herniated or bulging discs, and promote healing. Many of our patients come to us suffering from conditions like sciatica, chronic back pain, herniated discs, or even post-surgery discomfort. Spinal decompression works by relieving pressure on the spinal nerves and improving blood and oxygen flow to damaged areas. Treatments are completely non-invasive, painless, and often feel like a gentle stretch. The best part? There's no downtime. After each session, patients often report feeling relaxed and lighter, and in just a few treatments, many see a dramatic improvement in their symptoms. So who is spinal decompression for? It's ideal for anyone dealing with back or neck pain caused by conditions such as herniated or bulging discs, degenerative disc disease, or pinched nerves. Whether you're an active individual looking to stay mobile or someone who's been struggling with pain for years, this therapy could be your solution. We understand how pain can limit your life. That's why we customize every treatment plan to fit your specific needs and goals. During your consultation, we'll evaluate your unique situation and determine if spinal decompression is right for you. Hearing stories like these are what makes us passionate about what we do. There's nothing more rewarding than helping someone regain their quality of life. Here's how a typical session works. You'll start by reclining on the special decompression table. We'll secure you comfortably with a harness, and the machine will gently stretch your spine to relieve pressure and restore alignment. Each session usually lasts around 24 minutes, and most patients describe it as relaxing. For optimal results, we recommend a series of 25 sessions for most people. Throughout your recovery, we'll pair decompression with other complementary therapies such as regenerative medicine, prolozone injections, chiropractic care, shockwave therapy, massage, and home exercises. If you're ready to say goodbye to pain and get back to living your best life, we're here to help. Call us today to schedule your consultation and find out if spinal decompression is right for you. Remember, you don't have to live with pain. We're here to support your healing every step of the way.